Beautiful babes, welcome back in. It's Sweet Angel. Ooh, yes, and I'm happy to be hanging out with you today. Listen, I've had a great week. I've gotten some super good compliments on my skin, and what do I do to help with the glow, the texture, how do you get rid of certain imperfections like the stretch marks and things like that. Now, a lot of times, if you don't let them stretch marks go on too long, there may not be anything that you could do about it. Did you know that? But if you're relatively new to the stretch mark game, there may be some help for you. Now, I can't say just because you've had your stretch marks forever that you can't at least reduce the appearance of them. But will they completely fade away? Not likely. But today I have a scrub for you that's so good, that's so amazing, that I use it time and time again. And I would be remiss not to share this with my beautiful babes, because we hang out like that. Yes, we do. So you are just in time for this great scrub I've been using for a long time, and I promise you, you're gonna be glad you had it. Listen, we got to get this glow on. Summertime is here. This is it. Okay, today is the day, baby. It's time to drop all those clothes you got going on and put on your bathing suit. And y'all know I love hanging out in my kiddie pool. So I have got to make sure I keep it up, make the skin smooth, get rid of the texture, get rid of the strawberry legs, get rid of even ingrown hairs. This scrub is amazing. And y'all know I've been working on this waistline, and I got something in store for y'all. What that you're going to love. And I hope when I bring that video to you that you get on board with it, because it's something you're going to be blown away. But anyway, right now we're going to get to the scrub. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Watch the full video so you'll get all of the details. Don't skip my description box, because that's where you find all the goodies. You find the links, you find coupon codes, you find everything down in the description box, okay? So don't miss out on that. And if you're not one of my beautiful babes and you're ready to jump on board, all it takes is clicking that subscribe button and turning on your bell notification. And when your girl upload, be there. That's it. Don't cost you nothing. It's free 99. And right now, I got some free information for you. So let's get to whipping up this scrub that you're going to love. Easy coffee scrub that will exfoliate, reduce cellulite, diminish stretch marks, avert body acne, and smooth your skin. Oh yeah, we getting summertime fine. Now, yes, we are. We are ready to do this thing. So let's see if this works. Are you ready? See, let me tell you something. The benefits of coffee. Did you know that coffee grounds have amazing benefits for your skin? Instead of using body scrubs that have harsh chemicals, using a DIY coffee scrub has several benefits that include exfoliating and anti-inflammatory properties, reduction of cellulite, improved circulation, and very smooth skin. I have a phenomenal coffee scrub that you can use that will leave your skin feeling nourished and moisturized. But honey, I'm doing everything I possibly can to help rid these thunder thighs of mine of cellulite. Let's get right into the ingredients. All right, do you have your coffee ready? I hope you do. Y'all, it can be dried coffee or previously brewed coffee. Today I am just using regular coffee. Now this is not decaf. I just simply have it in this container because it was large, and I usually drink decaf, but it actually has caffeinated coffee in here. There are benefits to using caffeine on the skin. Check this out. Aside from the amazing exfoliation that coffee scrub provides, it also has another secret weapon for your skin: caffeine. That's right, caffeine is a compound that is found abundantly in tea and coffee plants around the world. Technically, a psychoactive drug. Caffeine has become the world's most popular stimulant because it works so effectively. While we all know the benefits that caffeine has on the mind and body when we drink a cup of coffee, the lesser known benefits are the effects it has when we apply it to our skin. Caffeine helps tighten the skin, which can help reduce cellulite. Caffeine is also loaded with antioxidants, which help to fight premature skin aging like wrinkles, sunspots, and fine lines. Yes, indeed. There is my coffee. All I need to do is take a container, which we have it here. And for the coffee, we will be using 1/2 cup, just a 1/2 cup. So I am going to scoop it out right here. Voila, that's a 1/2 cup. Now I'm making hopefully enough for me 2 scrubs today. Yes. And while I'm at it, since I'm doing this all over, I'm actually going to take another 1/2 cup in order to make sure I have enough for my next go round, because I need this like I need it bad. Now y'all, we have some brown sugar. That's right, pure cane brown sugar. This is the light. It really doesn't matter. This is all you need here. This is brown sugar, and we're gonna take a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. But let me tell you about the grand benefits of this. Now, if you don't have brown sugar, you can also use finely ground sea salt. Brown sugar can be used as an exfoliator on your face or for sensitive skin because it is softer than regular sugars. It is strong enough to scrub away dead skin cells and make your skin glowing. Brown sugar has smaller particles and is gentler and safer on the skin. And we will be scooping in a whopping, since I'm making, what did I say? 2 batches, hopefully, because I am doing my entire body today. This is 1/2 cup here, so we're gonna actually do a whole cup of the sugar. And this, yes, can just be left in the bathroom for you to use it again. There we go. Next we have our coconut oil. There we are. And I have a huge one, y'all, because I use a lot of coconut oil. And make sure it's organic, extra virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil, it's naturally antibacterial and antifungal. Coconut oil for skin is an excellent moisturizer. The antimicrobial action of coconut oil extends to fungal infections of the skin. Coconut oil offers some protection against solar radiation. Coconut oil can preserve the smoothness of the face and body and keeping the face wrinkle-free. Coconut oil also prevents premature aging. There's our bowl, and we're going to take, y'all, a whopping, since my cup will not fit in there, so I'm going to use a 1/2 cup to do the scooping here. We're gonna take a big chunk of it, and mine is not dissolved, so this is 1/2 cup. And we're going to actually use 2 cups. And again, I'm gonna keep this for use in my bathroom. Just scooping out another big scoop of it here. And another. And just one more. That's all we need. And now, one of the most powerful ingredients that's in here, did you know? Cinnamon. Cinnamon helps get rid of acne and pimples on the face and the body. And it is great for helping to tighten up that skin on your body, which helps, again, to eradicate cellulite. Absolutely. We'll be taking 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. That looks good, and that looks good. Now it's time to start mixing this together. And again, you don't have to use as much as I did, but I am making me a batch to last me at least a couple of treatments because I am serious about what I am doing, and I want to make sure I have enough, since this actually is something that has long shelf life. I wanted to just mix it up and keep it in my bathroom. Oh, this smells so delicious, y'all. This is so delicious smelling. Making my mouth water. Get out. There we are. All mixed up. Now it's time to apply it. I'm going to start with my face and work down to my feet, y'all. So we'll do it like so. This scrub can not only be used on the body, but on the face as well. Just be sure to be more gentle on the face when massaging it in, and do not get close to the eyes due to the cinnamon. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Adjust the amount of coconut oil to suit your consistency preference. Apply by massaging the mixture on your skin in a circular motion. To target cellulite more effectively, consider wrapping the problem areas with a cling wrap and leave the coffee scrub on for about 10 to 20 minutes. Thoroughly rinse it off with warm water. Gently pat dry with a clean towel. You can use this treatment 1 to 2 times a week, or every day if you like, if you have that much time on your hands. You can generally keep it for a long while, as long as it is in an airtight container. Keep in mind, it can last an extremely long time in the refrigerator, but it would be awfully cold and stiff when you get ready to apply it. But you can microwave it to warm it up. I usually only make just enough to last me a couple of treatments. It looks like I have enough for a couple of treatments. That can be left out of the refrigerator for a good long time. It does have a long shelf life. I really don't think that, you will have it around for, 30, 60 days, because of course if you're doing what you need to do and actually using it 1 to 2 times a week or every day, like I said, if you got the time, honey, you can do it as many times as you want to. This treatment is really, really safe and good for your skin. With your face, I did not scrub my face as hard because my face is not totally sensitive, but I don't like to do any strong abrasive motions on my face. So y'all, it's organic, it's natural, it's homemade, right out of the stuff that may be in your kitchen or already in your household that you use, that you probably eat or drink, like the coffee. These things are great for you. If you have body acne, this will help to reduce the inflammation in those body pimples. This is an all-over treatment from head to toe. And beautiful babes, that's it. That's all you have to do. Get started right away. All the details I shared with you. So if you didn't watch the video all the way, that means you missed the goodies. So tell them down below, did you watch this whole video? Because they're going to be asking some questions, and it's like, she gave it to you. I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to give it to you straight from the hip. And babes, beautiful babes, I'm out of here. Take care of yourselves in the meantime, and in between time, like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you tell a friend where you're hanging out at and why you looking so cute. So I've been hanging out with my girl Beauty by Sweet Angel. You're going to say, who? Beauty by Sweet Angel. You're gonna say, who? And you give them this link and bring them on over. That's all you have to do. So the way you do that, what? You already know. It's to share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Can't recall when you came through that door, yeah. Glowing like a headlight, independent of the way, got her bread right, yeah. Hard to ignore, sexy body make a jaw hit the floor. Won't you come over now? Just let me hold you down. Nothing else matching your type, nothing else matching your type, yeah. Oh, I feel the magic in the air. And when you give me a taste, I swear. When you give me a taste, let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur. I will let you make up your mind, but I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be a chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur.